Hey guys, it's Ellie, and today I wanted to give you an update tour of our place because I realized I never did that. I spent like 6 months renovating this place, and I never did anything else. I forgot about it, if I'm being honest. There's just been so much going on in just the past 2 years that it's been insane. But yeah, I'm starting the same corner. I did that peacock picture is still there, but obviously the first thing is the walls are white in here instead of that nasty peach color that we used to have. It's also very barren in here, but that's because of all the stuff I've been doing. And yeah, obviously the outside still looks the same because we can't really change anything out there because we have an HOA and everything has to look the same or you get in trouble. But yeah, this is the bedroom, we have this TV that we never use, and yeah. But I painted all the doorways, all the doors. It took forever. That's the thing, most of this was just painting, and it took me like over 6 months to complete everything. There's a cream puff. I guess we'll go in here. This was like our office that I don't know, I used to record videos and stuff in here, but I haven't for a long time just because, again, things happening and it just hasn't worked out in here anymore. But yeah, I had a little playroom for guinea pigs in here, and there's my art desk. I got my monitor over here. Well, both of them. Got my old computer, and there's Willie. But yeah, again, same thing. The walls are all white, and all the doorways and doors. And then obviously the bathroom. The light doesn't like to work anymore. I don't know, we used to think it was the bulbs. It does that when you try to turn on. Okay. This room, if you actually look at the ceiling, it's not actually white in here. I thought I got white paint, but it was actually I think it was like a lake blue or something. But let me back into the corner. We also painted the cabinets blue. We didn't do anything with the countertops though, because it just seemed like too much effort. Like, they don't actually make this size of counter with a sink in it like this anymore because it's so old. This is from the 90s, so like it's older than me. And yeah, that's the bathroom. And then obviously got the hallway, same thing, everything's white, and got shelves out here because, again, we were moving stuff around. And yeah, this was like the hardest part. I actually needed help with this because how the heck is tiny little me supposed to paint that even with a giant stick or something? But yeah, ignore the cat toys everywhere because those are everywhere. Also, this is the only thing I'm really proud of in this place. I don't know. But let me turn on the lights down here because it's so dang dark. The kitchen is a little messy, so be aware of that. Yeah, this is the cat closet. We actually added a cat door. It just had a hole in it before, and again, white everywhere because it looks way better. I mean, I don't know if you remember what the kitchen looked like, but the counters were all brown. There was no backsplash, that peachy, gross color on the walls everywhere. Like, it took me forever to do this because I had to sand all the cabinets and the drawers. I had to take off all the doors and all the handles. I actually painted all the handles too. So, we also got a new dishwasher because shortly after we moved here, ours broke. The oven never worked. We bought the place with a broken oven. So we got a new stove with a working oven. We also got a litter robot that's like pretty sweet. Otherwise there's just storage in there. And then yeah, this is garbage closet, bathroom. Again, it's the same thing as the other one really, like blue cabinets, white. Oh, we also changed the floors. I forgot to mention that. It's not the ugly tile anymore. And that's another thing. Out here, we changed the floor too because it was also ugly tile out in the kitchen. And then there was like really old, nasty carpet in the living room. And yes, the living room is in disarray here. And there's a cute orange. But again, white walls, new floor, doorway was all painted. The guinea pig area has changed quite a bit, you know. But this is where Zane hangs out. Hi, buddy. He's in there. He likes to hang out in his huts. But yeah, he's got a pretty big room now. And the cat's got a new computer that they get to scratch. I mean, look at that. It has a mouse on it. That's pretty clever. But yeah, that's kind of where I keep Zane's stuff, including all that. Like, I have a lot of stuff because we used to have 4, but yeah, and then the cat tree's by the window, and again, nice view. Got the lake down there, and this is where Skinny Squirrel comes to eat food because, I don't know, the strays don't come by anymore, and my plant fell over, apparently. Yeah, that's basically the gist of it. Like, this is what we've done. Everything is just very cluttered right now, but we put a lot of stuff away so then we could do this, and there's just so much going on right now. I probably won't even upload this until like a month after recording this because life is just so crazy right now. Obviously, because I can't even clean this place before making this video because there's just so much to do. But yeah, I will